Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Chatgpt in make.com. First, go to the make.com website and log into your account. Now click on create a new scenario at the top right to begin your setup. In the search bar, tap Chatgpt and select it when it appears. You'll see a list of available actions you can use with Chatgpt. For example, if you want to generate a picture using AI, click on generate an image. Next, click on add to create a new connection with OpenAI. Give your connection a name, then enter your OpenAI key and organization ID. These are needed to connect make.com to your Chatgpt account. If you don't have an API key yet, click on the link that says OpenAI account API keys. This will take you to OpenAI's website. Click on login and sign in using your Google account or email. After logging in, click on create new secret key. Enter name for the key, choose your project, then click create secret key. Copy the key that appears on the screen. Go back to make.com, paste the key into the API field, then click on save. Now choose the AI model you want to use, like GPT Image 1 or DALL-E, and type your prompt. This is the message or instruction you want Chatgpt to respond to. Once everything is ready, click on save again. Now you're all set to use Chatgpt inside make.com for generating responses, images, or other AI-powered tasks. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.